welcome back to my vlog channel and my new bedroom. I am going to do a B&M haul today. I have never done one of these before and I thought that they might be interesting. I'm sorry about the echo in here, if you can hear that. I still need to get wardrobes and fill out the room a little bit more so that there's not much of an echo. I also hope you guys can see me properly because I can't even see me. I'm not wearing my glasses, too far away for me to see in the viewfinder, so I hope that everything is okay here. Anyway, I'm going to do a B&M haul today. If you live in Ireland, B&M is also called Home Savers. And since moving in here, Home Savers has become my addiction. I must be there about 4 or 5 times a week. Girls are like, what on earth is that girl doing back here again? I picked up a load of homeware that I want to show you guys. I want to express my love for it, and I want to, you know, explain to you guys, you know, what it is that I'm going to do with this homeware. So if you're interested in seeing a B&M haul, then please stick around, and thank you for joining me here on my vlog channel. The first thing I'm going to start off with is my big mug here. And it says dream big. It says that because it's like the size of my head. So all dreams need to be big and the size of this mug. I absolutely love this mug. It was $1.99 and it's like my favorite mug ever because it's like that ombre, like blue, purple and pink. And I just thought it was really cute, and like, I mean, how could you not love that? Dream big. Yes, girl, dream big. It may look so big and too oversized for coffee, but believe me, you will finish a cup of coffee in this mug. You might not think you would, but honestly, girl, you would. I opened these up already, so apologies for that, but I just could not resist these hangers when I saw them. They're only $2.99. You get, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 in a pack for $2.99. They're not exactly the most like rigid hangers ever, you know, there is a bit of mobility in them. So I tend to hang lighter clothes on them. Well, that's what I did. And my big heavier jackets, I put them on like more robust, sturdier hangers. I just feel like these hangers aren't great for holding big heavy jackets, but you know, they're not too bad. Also, what the hell is this for? Is this for hanging belts? You know that little like lip that's on it? I don't know if it's for hanging belts, but then I thought maybe this was for hanging belts. I don't know, what the hell is that for? So there we go, pack of hangers, $2.99, can't be going wrong. Next up, I want to talk about this monstrosity. This is a big boy. This is my new curtain pole and it is massive. It was $19.99. It looks like that and it has like gems on the end, like massive big gems. Aren't they just insane? I think they really do great quality curtain poles because this was like $19.99, like I said. And most places that I went to look for curtain poles, they were all like €50, €40, €30, in or around that. Like €30 seemed to be kind of like the standard price, unless you wanted like an ugly wooden one, which was like maybe €20, but no cute ones like this for that price. So I am shook that I could get this for like €20. This is like the best ever. Okay, there's going to be a little bit of theme here for the next few products because we're going to be talking all about grey things. I picked up this little bin for $4.99. It's so cute because it has a little pedal on it and it pushes up like this. And it's gone into my bathroom. I also love it because it has handles either side. And does that not remind you of like Oscar the Grouch? It also has a handle here. Like there's just so many handles and so many things going on with it, but it is the cutest little bin ever. And I keep it in my bathroom because it's just perfect and small. It's not a kitchen bin, it's a bathroom bin. John was asking me, it's like, why do you need a bin in the bathroom? I was like, yeah, well, when you're taking off your eye makeup, you obviously can't throw like the cotton pads and stuff like that down the toilet. And also, I'm a girl. Girls need bins in the bathroom, if you know what I mean. And boys just don't understand that. Like, they really don't get it. Next grey bathroom item is this toilet brush for $4.99. It's a toilet brush. What more do I need to say about it? It's a brush for cleaning the toilet. It's not very pretty, it's necessary, it's grey, it looks great. Fantastic. Move on. Okay, I picked up these beautiful pillows for my bed. They were $7.99 each. Guys, look at the pattern on that. I hope you can see. I hope it focuses on it. But it is just beautiful. It's like this, it's like demure print. I think that's what it's called, demure print. And it's like a mix between like a silver, like this is obviously silver, and then this bit here is grey, the lighter bit. And I love it, and they're for my bed. So that's where they go, that's where they live. I got 2. This is the other one, and I just love them. So they are bed pillows. I then picked up a shelf. I opened this shelf because I thought that I could put this shelf up myself, but I can't. It was only €2.99, so €3, and it has little hooks on the other end. The reason I can't hook it up myself is because you need to drill a hole into the wall first, then put in the brackets, then drill this into the wall, because otherwise it will pull the wall down. I bought this little shelf just because the ceilings are so high in the apartment that I didn't want to like have big massive floating shelves everywhere, and also the hall looks a bit stark, so I thought maybe by the light switch I could put like a little shelf like this and like put diffusers and maybe like a little ornament or something and just like make it look nicer, and maybe put like lights or something on it. So that's what I picked them up for, because like I said, the ceilings are so high, and then also there's like big gaps on the wall, but not big enough to put like a unit, and then the hall is narrow, so you don't want to put a big unit there, and then it makes everything, you know what I mean. It's the shelf that's going on my wall. I really don't want to let these all fall out at the bottom. But the next thing I picked up was this Delft sash, and if it will focus on the Delft set and not on me, I'm gonna hide back out here. You can see that it's marble, guys. Marble. I love marble. You get a big plate ×4, a little plate ×4, a bowl, and you get a cup, and they're all that marble effect, and I just think they're really nice. Like, they're just so nice, and the mugs are actually decent mugs, because usually I tend to buy mugs separately. I know this sounds really weird, but just be like, I don't know, I'm very like weird about my mugs. I like a nice mug. But anyway, these mugs are lovely. And for €20 for a whole set of Delft, I think it was pretty good, because I've looked around and they're all kind of in around the same price, but they're really boring and they don't have like cute marble patterns on it. The next thing I want to talk about, I don't actually physically have it here because I opened it, but I will show you a clip of it over my mantelpiece. There were little pearl lights, and they're just the most adorable thing ever. I put them over my mantelpiece because they add a bit of lighting and decoration at the same time, and they thought they were really cute, and they were like $3.99. I think that's how much they were. And I checked in other kind of stores and they didn't have anything anywhere near as nice. Next we got some pots for cooking. These were $6.99 for a 3-piece saucepan set. They're really plain, they're not really exciting, and they don't have lids, which is kind of like a bit of a bummer. But for starting out, John and I are pretty happy with just the 3 little pots. I mean, we're not going to be boiling things over all over the place. And then I got a wok. This is actually a Morphe Richards wok, and it was only $12.99, which I think is pretty decent for Morphe Richards. And it has a 5-year guarantee, and it's like non-stick. It's only a 28cm wok, which I usually like. I think it's the 32, but since there's only John and I using it, it's perfect, because I used to use the one in my mum's, obviously if I was cooking for 4 people, because my sister, my mum, my dad and myself, whereas it's just me and John, so this should be perfect. And yeah, like I said, $12.99 for a wok, can't really be going wrong. Got a dustpan and brush, you need them for cleaning up things, crumbs, etc. And it was only $2.99 for the dustpan and brush. This was actually one of the more exciting purchases, and I know this is probably like stupid to you guys who are not interested in homeware, but we got Russell Hobbs knife block. I was so excited when I got this yesterday. I was like, oh my god, I'm so shook over that. So it has 4 kind of like steak knives. Then you have, they're all stainless steel as well. Then you have your scissors and a knife sharpener. You get a chef knife, a bread knife, a carving knife, utility knife, and a paring knife. Very exciting, and it was $14.99, and I think that's really good for like a knife block, because you know, it's just a pretty decent price for a knife block. Most people might find that really boring, but when I saw it, I was like, John, we have to buy them. I need a knife block set. How fun. We were having a bit of a dilemma yesterday. We had no knives and forks and no big spoons. We had to borrow some from my family and my mum, and you know, they were like grand, whatever, but I was like, we better get our own. So we got these for $16.99, no, $7.99. Where am I going with $16.99? $7.99 for a set of cutlery. There were 16 pieces in there, knives, forks, dessert spoon, teaspoon, you know, very exciting. Spoons and things. The last few things I want to talk about are like cleaning products. So the first one here I have is this Dr. Beckman carpet stain remover. So I picked this up for, I think it was $2.99 maybe €2, something like that. Nothing too expensive. Maybe it was more expensive. Actually, I feel like this was kind of expensive. There's no price on it, so I can't actually remember. I don't know where the receipt is. But I feel like this was a little bit expensive for B&M Home Savers pricing. But basically it's a carpet cleaner. It has this like squeezy brush on it and like bristles, and basically you clean your carpet with it. I tried to clean the carpet with it there about 5 minutes ago, and I just don't really understand what's happening because the lid is open, but it just seems to be like spilling out all over the lid. I'm not really sure. I think I'm doing something wrong. It smells lovely. It smells really, really nice, and it did the job because we got a little bit of Indian on the floor the other night. We had a lovely Indian celebration moving into our apartment, and we spilt a tiny bit of it, you know, story of our lives. So I tried to clean it up, and it cleaned perfectly well. Second last thing is this Astonish fabric freshener Cotton Fresh. This neutralizes unpleasant odors. I just got this to kind of like spray. Oh god, I'm scared. Woo! Just kind of spray on the fabric in the house. Obviously we have new couches and stuff like that, and just to keep them kind of fresh, I thought that this was great. I also don't really want to be taking off the covers every 2 minutes and putting them in the washing machine, so this kind of like freshens them up. And then I also picked up another Flora, and I picked up the shade, oh god, I'm so used to doing beauty videos. I'm like, this is the shade, let me swatch that for you. Yeah, I picked up the Flora in pink grapefruit. I have one of these already, but I figured because it smells so nice, I may as well pick up another one. And they're limited edition, and I presume this is going to be gone now that the summer is over and all the winter fragrances will be in. So I said I would pick that up. Okay, are we done? We're done. Yeah. Done. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A bit of a different one for me, but like I said, I want my vlog channel to be a different mix of kind of videos, different hauls, things that I think you might find enjoyable. And yeah, that's basically what the vlog channel is all about. So I hope you enjoyed this little B&M homeware, home essentials haul. I don't know what to call this. Home essentials haul. No idea what I gotta call this video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today, and if you're not already, I'd love you to subscribe and follow my life as I vlog and not having a clue what I'm doing and trying to adult as best as possible and sometimes failing, but I mean, that's life. Anyway guys, I love you so much. I'll talk to you in my next one.